Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about the geolocation API. It will be only one video and then we will move on to the canvas. Geolocation API is used to retrieve the user location. It obtains the current location through an asynchronous request to detect the user position and queries the positioning hardware to get up-to-date information. Of course, for us is much simpler than who really created this. Sorry. I will respawn you this code that checks the existence of the geolocation if blah 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 blah. We already saw it in the previous video. It works the same. I just wrote this little piece of code, then we will see another one. Windows onload in it, the function in it will dir console the geolocation object. So let's see this geolocation object. Okay, here is the geolocation object. As you can see, there is something that not really interesting. The only really interesting thing is this get current location, which is not a method that we can use with current with geolocation. We're going to use it now, and it will be useful to determine our position. Okay, so now let's create this function for real. Windows onload init, we keep it. Navigator dot geolocation, so we are getting this object dot get current position, and we are going to create a custom function show geo position. Okay, now let's describe this function. Function show geoposition. We're going to give it a parameter. Console.dir data. So this is it, but it's a little complicated. It looks complicated because the get current position gets another method inside as an argument. It's called argument. The position data gets sent to this function, and that function will use the data as input. So we have wrapped the console.dir in an external function that is show geoposition that takes a parameter and outputs this data so that we can see it in the console. So when we send the function get current position, we are actually seeing something, no? So now we are going to theoretically we should get a geolocation position object with a property chord that will contain my latitude and longitude. And okay, maybe it will ask me if I really want to share my position. I'm not sure about this. Yes, in fact, is asking me if I really want to share my position. I allow. Okay, so here we have an object. Here there is the latitude and longitude if you want to come to find me, and but okay, that's it. Of course, this is useful to, of course, display personalized content based on the location of the users, and we all know that this is the huge Google stuff. Anyway, or suggestions, you know, all those things. Have you been in? How do you know that I have been in Paris last week? Anyway, okay, and but this is what I wanted to show. I don't want. I'm not going into any deeper of anything because we are just looking at all the APIs one by one. So we have looked at this. It's okay. Now we're moving to the canvas, which will take some videos, but we will finish it fast. Of course, feel free to from the beginning of the videos were compulsory. No, now feel free to skip if you don't care about graphic. I'm going to make 3 videos about Canvas, but someone might think, no, this is not really what I need, and it's okay. Just skip it, and you will not miss anything because I will just explain that. You can watch the videos from 3 videos from now when I finish the Canva episode, and you will understand everything perfectly. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.